We built the Take two. We bought the rustiest Aston Martin in the world, and take three. We bought the rustiest Aston Martin in the world, and we're doing a nut and bolt restoration on it. Oh, it's raining. I'll bring that in. Yeah, look, it's got the tiniest fracture. Oh, wow. It's the torque of the engine, is it? Yeah. It'll be from it torquing. We should weld that now, really. We won't forget, will we? No, that's so noticeable. When we put it back in, that'll go straight. Okay, we'll fix it. Hi, so this is the red oxide. It's diluted with thinners 80-20. It's quite a nice day today, so it is raining outside, but it's not raining inside. It sounds much worse here than it is. It's hardly even spitting really outside. Just the corrugated iron roof makes it sound bad. So yeah, we mix it 80% paint, 20% thinners, and then I'll start spraying it on straight onto the surface, because the surface, because of the sandblasting, is really well prepared. And it's had a phosphate coat as well, so yeah, I'll get on with that. So like I said with the other one, it's a similar thing with this one. As you can see, the engine mount's cracked, and it's obviously cracked completely and been welded before. The power of this engine is pretty spectacular for it to crack engine mounts like that. What we'll do is we'll reinforce them. Yeah, we're going to reinforce them at some point. The rubber must have been collapsed, and so it was, the engine was just hitting against the metal, and it cracked it. Interesting. Just and when you're working with paint, always wear your safety glasses. If the pot drops and you look down, sometimes the paint goes straight into your eyes. Not nice. What are you doing? Oh, the paint gun needle had a bit of old green paint on it. Wonder which colour that's from. A certain Volvo 144. Indeed. So I found out on the A1 there's the Volvo place. Breakers. Really? There's another bangers program. It's on Prime. Or Mike Brewer or what? No, it's not Mike Brewer. It's two other guys. Quite a good program actually. They buy cars for like £1,000 and sell them for £2,000. But yeah, they were rebuilding a Volvo 340. Yeah, hold this. Stay well away. Hold it. Yeah. $40 PSI, doesn't it? I think. What? 40 to spray at. 40. I'm covering everything in plastic. That's important. In your own time. Well, you started before I was ready. Come on. I know, but just put it down. The energy, no. Come on, put it down though. You need to pick that piece of paper up. Let's put it over. Nicely done. That's all right. Bring it this way a bit. It just needs. I mean, honestly, it's not gonna. There won't be much overspray. I'm not gonna go mental with the gun. You may as well stand out there. Why? Your Foo Fighters t-shirt's gonna get covered. I mean, it won't be too bad, but there's no point you going in here. Just bear with. can do, yeah. It's alright, I'll move, but... Yeah, that's not been... Yeah. You're underneath as well. Can you do all along there? Yeah, I mean, this still needs work. We haven't obviously done the bits that we have to cut out. I mean, there's bits here that we've painted, but they're going to go. Yeah, that'll just give it a bit of protection. Yeah, obviously we'll do a much better job before the car goes back together. But that'll give it a nice bit of protection. Most of the back's got to come off the car anyway, so there's no point doing that. The floors are coming out. The new floors are fine; they're not rusting. Things like that, there's no point painting it. That's nice. We'll do the inside the wheel arches as well, but we'll probably do those by hand because they're not. Yeah, they need work. Cool. Anyway, and obviously we'll flip the car upside down, and we'll do the rest of it at some point. Come out there with one side off. Oh, yeah. Look at that. Nice. That's not the lightest thing in the world either. Well done.